Hey everyone, Linus here. Today, we're diving into the world of Bibble software, a name that's been making waves in the tech community. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone looking for the next big thing in software, you've probably heard of Bibble. But what exactly is it and why is everyone talking about it? Bibble software is a versatile tool designed to streamline your digital life. From managing your tasks to enhancing productivity, it promises to be an all-in-one solution. But with so many software options available, what sets Bibble apart from the rest? You've seen the ads, you've heard the buzz, but is Bibble all it's cracked up to be? Advertisements can be flashy and persuasive, but the real test lies in the user experience. How does Bibble perform in real-world scenarios? 2025 has been a big year for Bibble, with the software skyrocketing in popularity. The user base has grown exponentially, and it's not just tech geeks who are taking notice. Professionals from various fields are integrating Bibble into their daily routines. But with so many options out there, it's important to separate hype from reality. Is Bibble truly a game changer, or is it just another overhyped product? We'll be looking at its features, usability, and overall performance to give you a clear picture. That's why we're taking a deep dive into Bibble, exploring its features, pros, and cons. We'll navigate through its interface, test its functionalities, and see how it stands up to everyday use. From task management to productivity tools, we'll cover it all. We'll compare it to the competition and see if it lives up to the hype. How does Bibble fare against other popular software in the market? We'll put it head-to-head with its competitors to see which one comes out on top. By the end, you'll know if Bibble deserves a spot on your digital shelf. Whether you're a professional looking for efficiency or a casual user wanting to simplify your digital life, we'll help you decide if Bibble is the right choice for you. Stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries of Bibble software. So, what exactly is Bibble? Simply put, Bibble is a cloud-based project management and collaboration tool. Think of it as a digital workspace where teams can come together to plan, organize, and execute projects. Bibble is designed for teams of all sizes, from small businesses to large enterprises. Whether you're working on a marketing campaign, developing software, or planning an event, Bibble aims to streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Bibble comes loaded with features designed to make project management a breeze. Let's take a look at some of its key offerings. Task management. Break down projects into manageable tasks, assign them to team members, and set deadlines. Collaboration tools. Communicate seamlessly with your team through built-in chat, file sharing, and video conferencing. Progress tracking. Monitor project progress with visual dashboards, Gantt charts, and detailed reports. Time tracking. Track time spent on tasks and projects for accurate billing and productivity analysis. Customizable workflows. Tailor Bibble to your team's specific needs with customizable workflows and templates. Bibble has a lot going for it. Here are some of its standout features that users rave about. Intuitive interface. Bibble is incredibly user-friendly, even for those new to project management software. Seamless collaboration. The built-in communication tools make it easy to stay connected with your team and keep everyone on the same page. Powerful reporting. The detailed reports provide valuable insights into project progress, team performance, and areas for improvement. Affordable pricing. Bibble offers flexible pricing plans to fit any budget, making it a great option for small businesses and startups. The not-so-good stuff: Bibble's shortcomings. While Bibble has a lot to offer, it's not without its drawbacks. Here are a few areas where users have expressed concerns. Limited offline access. Bibble's reliance on the cloud means limited functionality when you're offline. Occasional performance issues. Some users have reported occasional lag and slow loading times, particularly with larger projects. Learning curve for advanced features. While the basic features are easy to grasp, mastering Bibble's more advanced functionality can take some time. Learning curve for their team members. Performance check: does Bibble deliver? In our testing, Bibble generally performed well. The software was responsive, and we didn't experience any major crashes or bugs. However, as mentioned earlier, some users have reported occasional slow loading times, particularly with larger projects or slower internet connections. Overall, Bibble's performance is solid, but there's room for improvement in terms of speed and reliability. User interface and experience. Navigating the Bibbleverse. One of Bibble's biggest strengths is its user interface. The design is clean, modern, and intuitive. Even if you're new to project management software, you'll find Bibble easy to navigate and use. The dashboard provides a clear overview of your projects, tasks, and deadlines. The drag and drop functionality makes it easy to manage tasks and move them between different stages of your workflow. Should you take the Bibble plunge? So, is Bibble the right project management software for you? In today's fast-paced business environment, choosing the right tools can make or break your team's productivity. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to decide which software will best meet your needs. Bibble promises to be an all-in-one solution, but does it live up to the hype? If you're looking for an intuitive, affordable, and feature-rich platform, Bibble is definitely worth considering. Its clean and user-friendly interface ensures that even those who are not tech-savvy can navigate it with ease. The affordability factor makes it accessible for startups and small businesses, while its rich feature set caters to the needs of larger enterprises as well. Its user-friendly interface, robust collaboration tools, and powerful reporting features make it a great option for teams of all sizes. The collaboration tools allow team members to communicate seamlessly, share files, and track project progress in real time. The reporting features provide valuable insights into project performance, helping managers make informed decisions. However, if you require offline access or consistently work with extremely large projects, you might want to explore other options. Bibble's reliance on an internet connection can be a drawback for those who need to work in remote areas or during travel. Additionally, while it handles most projects efficiently, extremely large and complex projects might require more specialized software. Ultimately, the best way to determine if Bibble is right for you is to try it out for yourself. Many users have found that the trial period is sufficient to get a good feel for the software's capabilities and how it fits into their workflow. During the trial, you can explore all the features, test its limits, and see if it aligns with your team's needs. Sign up for a free trial and see how Bibble can help you streamline your workflows and boost your team's productivity. The trial period is a risk-free way to evaluate the software, and you might be surprised at how much it can improve your project management processes. From task assignments to deadline tracking, Bibble aims to simplify every aspect of project management. Until next time, this is Linus signing out. Remember, the right tools can make all the difference in achieving your project goals. Happy project management.